everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to hide friend list on Facebook. So for that, first of all, open your Facebook application and get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines, that is the hamburger icon on the top right. Tap that. Inside there, you need to tap upon the setting and privacy at the bottom. Tap on setting and privacy. From the option, you tap upon the settings. Inside setting and privacy, you need to scroll down to the audience and visibility. There, just below the profile information, you will see the option of how people find and contact you. You tap that. So here are a few options inside how people can find you and contact you. From all these options, you will see who can see your friend list on the second. You tap that. Currently, your setting has been saved to public. That means your friend list can be seen by each and everyone on Facebook who would go through your profile. So for you to hide this friend list, you can tap on see more at the bottom, and there you need to tap on only me. Once you tap on only me, only you will be able to see the friend list on your profile from now on. And if any other Facebook user go through your profile, they won't be able to see that friend list of yours or see their friendship on your timelines. If you set this to only me, only you will be able to see your full friend list on your timeline, and other people will only see the mutual friends. So this is how you can hide friend list on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.